Now, believe it or not, how long your bell peppers last at home depends on how you buy them at the grocery store. You should always pick produce from the back of the pile, in this case from the very top where the arrow is pointing. And that's because most people will pick from the front, and the produce folks know to put the freshest stuff in the back. Now, if you're one of those folks who want to wash their bell peppers as soon as they get them home before they put them in the refrigerator, you should stop doing that, because moisture on the outside of a bell pepper causes it to deteriorate quicker. Now, the best place to store your bell peppers is nice and dry in the refrigerator in a container like this that helps control ethylene gas. Now, we put these bell peppers in this container about 5 weeks ago. And if you listen close, when we thump them, you can hear how firm they are. Now, this container has a basket inside that you can lift out that will keep your celery, bell peppers, lettuce, or whatever you want out of any moisture that happens to be in there. On the lid, you will find a little section that holds a packet of carbon that absorbs ethylene gas. It's good for 3 months, and you can slide this little marker back and forth to remind you what month you put it in. Now, the snap-on top also acts as a vent, but if you're keeping bell peppers in here, you should keep the vent closed. Now, for those of you who want to get one of these containers so that you can help your bell peppers stay fresher longer, you can find them at our Amazon affiliate store on our website. And we'll put a link to the store in the video description.